Took a little woodland walk, and I don't know, you can see the snowdrops down there, and there's some that there were a lot less there last year. They're self-seeding really well, and in fact I read an article by Lord Heseltine saying how I think it's taken him 20 years to accumulate all his snowdrops, and he's just talking about how they seed well and spread in that way. He's now got the national collection. It's a reminder as well, as we walk through them, carefully not treading on them, that although we've been clearing leaves in this area for a long time, look how many oak leaves are still around. Absolutely mind-blowing. And we'll just stroll down and see some more snowdrop over here, because they really do look absolutely gorgeous, just in a woodland area, just on the edge. And I think that's important, that you plant them in areas that you can just get a peek of them as you walk along a woodland area. And don't forget that walking in woodland areas and along rivers, footpaths, or even a big garden, if you get the opportunity, is so good for your health. That's the mental health we're talking about, as well as physical. There's a few there in the lawn, but just look at them, you know, nestling under the shrubs there. They look absolutely fantastic. Yeah, we at World Radio Gardening are very pro health and keeping healthy by doing gardening. And in fact, we also are very keen, of course, on trying to encourage younger people into this lovely profession that I'm lucky enough to have been in all my life. Yes, and I mean all my life. I started working in a nursery in Chigwell when I was 15, and I've been gardening ever since. Don't forget to join me and anyone else here on World Radio Gardening for what you can get out of World Radio Gardening. It's about answering your gardening questions. It's about checking up on some of the things that you could be doing in your own garden, and some of the little hints and tips that we've got for you. So there are. Keep going to worldradiogardening.com or the YouTube channel.